Making everyone happy is our #1 priority. So when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review complimenting our great service, we love to share it. Here's what they had to say. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you are brand new or been through our doors before, we would like the chance to make you happy. Contact the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.